Our archives are not just about numbers and names.
When you take a good look, who knows which voice will reach out to you and what tales will be told?
Os ydych chi eisiau wybod lle dyn ni'n mynd, rhaid i chi wybod lle dyn ni wedi bod.
Let's remember the voices of our local women and listen to what they want us to know.
Look at the state of it. All this graffiti. It was when I was pregnant with my first that I started digging into my family history. I watched Danny Dyer on Who Do You Think You Are, and I thought, oh, wouldn't it be great if we were related to royalty too? But then I found her. Patient name, Anne Owens. Patient number, 2431. Admitted to the North Wales Hospital Denbych, formerly a lunatic asylum, on the 27th of January, 1875. Well, I was hooked. Obsessed, really. Yeah. Old Anne Owens saved my life. Perhaps even saved the lives of my children. Stop looking at me like that. I just need a bit of air, that's all. I just need some light. Suffer the children to come unto me. Suffer the children to come unto me. Suffer the little children to come unto me. Suffer the little children to come unto me. That's what everybody says. Preaching from the pulpit. Speaking for God! What does he know, eh? What's the point if you can't feed them? Well, you can see them now, can't you? Look at them! Hmm? They are so hungry! And I have to keep my eye on them, otherwise they will start to chew each other. For the little children to come through skin and bone. Stop it now! I've told you, you can't eat each other! I'll take a knife to your throat! Oh, and he'll be home from his shift to the coal pit, and I'll have to hot the water, and I'll have to wash him down, and I'll have to feed him, and it'll be, ooh, tick-tock, yes, angry! Forgive me. Sorry, Uncle. I mustn't take the Lord God's name in. Please. Please. Can you get them away from me? Please. I killed my husband in his bath. I held him down. Hard. And he bubbled, and he bubbled, and he bubbled no more, and he left me with you two, and I want you two gone! I started behaving oddly, seeing things that I knew couldn't be there. And then I saw her, Anne. And I remembered what the records said, that she had chronic mania. Chronic mania. So I went to the doctor and I told her, and she said, well, we don't call it that anymore. We call it postnatal psychosis. And then she said, did you know it was hereditary? Totally treatable now. So I started the treatment, and that was that. Poor old Anne wasn't as lucky. She stopped eating, you see, and so They force-fed her and, well, it flooded and damaged her lungs. She died of pneumonia. You know, some people say, oh, the past is just the past, but it's simply not true. The past is now. The past is tomorrow. Anyway. Thank you, Anne. God bless you. Sleep well.